R32. Looks like we're doing something right. I see an R32 behind us. Been having trouble finding where we're supposed to park, so I'm hoping all the GTRs are back around this corner. Guys, we have officially made it to Rs Day. Let's walk around, let's check out all the cars. I got to try to meet up with Matt from UP Garage and Kevin Kershira, I think is how you say his name. He's got his R32 here, so we're gonna go for a ride. But there's a bunch of cool cars here. We've got R34 non-GTR, R32 on CE28s. Same wheels that I have right here. We got some cool R34, R33 Midnight Purples over here. Let's go see what these are. This must be top rank importers, be my guess. But look at that R34 sitting on LM GT4s. These are the matte finish, look nice, same wheels I have, but mine are gloss. Yeah, top rank. We're gonna be going there tomorrow. Interior. This thing is incredible, all stock, seats, wheels, everything. Spoiler, I like it's got the raised carbon fiber spoiler. Here's Midnight Purple R33, running the same wheels, Sparko steering wheel, stock seats. It's freaking awesome. I wish I would have bought the R33 a few years back. It was 15 grand in Japan, but now they're just too expensive. Oh, look at this. Here's a classic Skyline. I moved my mic around to the back so you guys can hear me talk. I think this is a Hakusuka. If I'm saying it wrong or the wrong model, you guys don't get too mad at me. I don't know too much about this car. Inline 6, ITBs, 2-liter. Look how big that thing is. Beautiful. Look at the interior, so cool. Skyline 2000 GT. Freaking awesome. So cool, Nismo steering wheel. It's kind of cool to see where the heritage came from for all the R32, 33, 34 stuff. This is ultra rare. This is the Nismo 400R. I don't remember how many of these they made. I think it was only like 50 or something like that. Maybe even like a quantity lower than that. I don't remember. But look at these classic Nismo LM wheels. I'm not sure what series they are. These are series 2, but I know they're like close to 8,000 to 10,000 bucks for a set of these. But if you guys are familiar, these are the 400R side skirts, the same one Tommy FEI just put on his car. You've got the same carbon fiber spoiler, carbon fiber 400R badging. Look at all this, it's freaking sick. But look how crazy this is. This is the Nismo, or not the Nismo, this is the Mines R32 GTR. It's got Mines badging on it. Built by Legends, made in Japan. Mines. Little carbon fiber pieces here. Running some new Volk wheels on there. I'm not sure what the model number is on those. What's the B for on the seat? Is that a B for like BR? I'm not sure. Ooh, look at that restored line steering wheel. Sorry. Let's check out some of Top Rank Importers inventory. We got R32s. I'm not sure if these are for sale or if these are customer cars. R33, R34. R35. Oh, excuse me. I'm not sure I think this is a throwback to Big Bird from the Fast and Furious, the first one, because I'm pretty sure from what I read online that that car was crushed and it was seized, but maybe I'm wrong. This could be it. This is freaking sick. Get all the different vendors, Grady Performance Parts, Haggerty's here, importavehicle.com, R34 V-Spec 2. I'm not sure what year that is, but it looks incredible. It's missing the rear diffuser though, unless it got damaged. Trust R33. Grady, look at these cool seats and interior. Pretty savage, pretty badass. I don't know if this is the real deal, but if this is the Mines R34, I'm feeling pretty speechless right now if this is it. Holy crap, look at this thing. I didn't know this thing was here in the US, or if it's a replica. There's that guy's Instagram handle. Recaro seats, Sparco steering wheel, just like from Fast and Furious. This is crazy. You got your big boy AP racing brakes, big Nismo intake manifold, some fresh powder coating, catch can for the turbos. Let's see what turbos. It's still running twins.
Tell what size turbos they are?
I can't. Is this the real Mines car, do you know, or is it a replica? This is crazy. Somebody's got a spoon sock cover over the brake reservoir and the power steering fluid reservoir.
Back in my Honda days, right? Like,
wow, this is crazy. Craig Leiberman's over here. I gotta go say hi. Hey, what's up, Craig?
Mike, all-around car guy and a great guy. Got every sergeant, so don't piss him off. So you're gonna have to drop again to 25. Right, Gunny?
I've been watching your channel and following your build on your Supra. Are you pretty excited to get that thing coming along?
Those guys have been working their butts off. These guys are amazing. I don't know if you've been watching the build stuff?
Yeah, I've been watching the build.
Okay, so we just got
This is Craig Leiberman, guys. He was the technical advisor for the first two Fast and Furious films. The Mark IV Supra that Paul Walker drove and the R34, those were his cars.
Yeah.
Pretty crazy.
Luck of the draw.
Yeah.
Right place, wrong time.
Well,
Vice versa.
What's that?
Or wrong place, right time.
Yeah, I mean, it's a cool story. And then seeing you on the movie, you know, waving the fingers.
My 10 seconds of fame.
Yeah, your 10 seconds of fame. That was pretty badass. Kind of something cool to walk back on and look at it and enjoy. And
glad you guys came out.
Yeah, it was a fun drive.
This thing is gorgeous.
Yeah, I've got the same exact color valve covers on my car. UP Garage, if you know, like Tommy F, yeah? You follow any Tommy stuff?
I've heard his name, but I don't know anything about the guy. I know they build some amazing cars.
Yeah, they do the similar style build at UP Garage.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I saw pictures, or maybe it was on Instagram, of one build. It was an R32 that they worked on. Very pretty.
Yeah. Well, there's a familiar face. There's Brian from Top Rank Importers. What's up, Brian? Josh, man, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
I'll be coming to the open house tomorrow.
Sick,
you guys
man.
place, yeah.
It'll be good. It'll be good.
Pretty cool.
Should be a lot of great cars there. So.
You guys have a pretty good turnout of cars.
Yeah. I got to bring my own.
Oh, this one's yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, my R32 is all torn down right now. I had like some type of, my front turbo blew up at the track last summer, so I've got the engine torn all the way down. So
I'm doing turbos on this car right after today.
What are you doing?
So, I'm gonna do the Nismo, like the N1 turbos.
Nice, the
so
N1s.
Just kind of a factory upgrade. So
Nismo came out with something newer because they had N1s, R1s, and then they just released, I think it's an R3.
The R4.
Oh, R4.
So, yeah.
I don't know what the difference are.
Yep. So
I'm here with UP Garage.
Oh, cool.
We got the R32 there. We're running HKS 2530s and Step 2 decam.
Yeah. I'm not going that advanced on this car. So plan for this car is just OEM plus at best.
Oh, nice. So. Keep it reliable.
Yep.
So, what's up, guys? So I follow this guy. He's great. Just wanted to say hi, and my channel's not cool, so I'm not even going to name my channel.
What's the name of your channel?
It's just my name. It's Ryan Denton.
Ryan Denton?
Yeah.
And I know I've seen you on Dustin
yeah. A couple of Dustin's videos, but I love the technical aspect, and I love that he gets his hands dirty. So just wanted to say what's up. I'm a watcher. I'm a follower.
Well, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, absolutely, man.
It's nice to meet you.
Yeah.
I got to tell you guys, this doesn't even feel real to be here, like walking around with all these cars. And like, I watch a lot of YouTube, watch a lot of Dustin Williams and stuff like that, and to see like Craig Leiberman and Brian from Top Rank and all these people. I met another YouTuber who knew who I was. That's, you know, just pretty cool. But here's Dustin's Midnight Legend R33. And sure. Oh shit, there's Dustin right there. Holy crap. Dustin in town. But here's this Midnight Purple that he picked up at Top Rank. Dustin Williams, I'm sure everybody knows who he is.
What's up, guys?
Hello. I'm Josh.
How's it going? Nice to meet you, Josh.
Him and Timbro, they got the R32. Yep. And the R33, if you haven't seen his channel, Dustin Williams, go check him out.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Just vlogging. Shit, it's Tommy F, yeah.
Get anywhere with it?
Look at this guy.
Oh, hey, what up?
What's up, man?
Alright, Tom, nailed the plan, sir.
Yeah.
Pretty crazy seeing guys like Tommy and Dustin here just chilling.
Yeah, I know.
Watch both their channels. We're here with Trust Kikaku TKGT Cars. What's your name?
My name's Octavio, working at TKGT Cars. So
Nice to meet you, Octavio and Josh.
nice to meet you guys too.
We're going to be swinging by their shop to do a full tour of all the cool parts and everything, just like Tommy did a couple weeks back, and pick up some parts Monday morning. So
Oh my God!
right there, full Japanese schoolgirl skirt. That's awesome. See the WRX next to the Skyline, 370Z Skyline, GTR, all kinds of cool stuff. Tommy F, yeah, his car, right there, TKGT Cars, his R33 is right there. Just blows my mind how this doesn't even feel real to be here. It's freaking awesome, you guys. Anyway, guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I pretty much walked around and talked to just about everybody. Yes, I mean, I talked to Brian from Top Rank, I talked to Tommy F, yeah, I talked with Trust Kikaku. Who else? I don't know, there's just a bunch of people. Like, I was so excited and like overwhelmed. My sensory system was just going nuts when I got here. I almost had like the shakes from just being overstimulated. But we're gonna head to Top Rank's open house tomorrow morning. So I'll see you guys there. And make sure you like the video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys later. Take care, peace out.
What is best night?